Good morning dear students. Welcome to our maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about data handling. So students, data means information and data handling means sorting the information according to what is available. Let me explain with the examples. As you can see the picture of a garden. In that garden, different types of flowers are there. There are red flowers, purple flowers, blue flowers and yellow flowers. Now, let's count the flowers and start the exercise number 1. Question A. Look at the picture and find out the number of different kinds of flower in the garden. So first picture is given number of blue flowers. So how many blue flowers are in this garden? Let's count. 1 and 2. So write down number 2 here. There are 2 blue flowers. Next, number of red flowers. So count how many red flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 red flowers. So write down number 5 here. Okay, next. Number of purple flower. So let's count. How many purple flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 purple flowers. So write down number 4 here. Then next, number of yellow flower. So 1, 2 and 3 yellow flowers are given here. So write down number 3 here. Okay. Then next, question B. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. There are one picture is given here. Balloons picture are there. So different types of colors balloon are given. So you have to count different color balloons. First is there are dash red balloons. So count red balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 red balloons. So write down here number 9. Okay. Then next, there are dash blue balloons. So how many blue balloons are in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 blue balloons. So write down number 6 here. Next, there are dash yellow balloons. So how many yellow balloons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 yellow balloons. Okay. Then next, there are dash green balloons. How many green balloons are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 green balloons are here. So write down number 4 here. Okay. Then page number 135. Next. Look at this picture. Different kinds of animals are given here. And what is the question? Count each kind of animal and fill in the blanks. Animals का picture देखना है और आपको different kinds के जो animals दिए हैं उनको count करके वहाँ पे number लिखना है. Okay? So let's start. First picture. Number of lion. How many lions are there? Okay, 1 and 2. So how many lions are there? 2 lions. So we have to write here number 2. Okay. Then next picture is monkey. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So write down number 5 here. Okay. The next picture is rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down your number 7. Then next, number of elephant. 1, 2, 3. So write down number 3 here. Then number of flowers. Here yellow flower is given, but here in this picture pink flowers are given. So write down number 3 flowers are there. Okay. Then next, number of giraffe. Only one giraffe is there. So write down number 1. Thank you, students. In next period, we will discuss the exercise number 2.